Hello guys, welcome to Waytech Society. What really starts here changes the world. Well, today we're going to look at how to use Word to convert PDFs into editable documents or a Word document and the vice versa. We're also going to look at how to use Word to convert Word into a PDF document. So let's open our Word. You open Word, you go open a blank document. Open a blank document. Make sure your document is blank and you don't have several pages on the document. Make sure it's only one page. And you come to the last point on the page. The first line on the page. Come to the first line on the page. Place the cursor there. Make sure it is not beneath the first page, the first line on the first page. Now you go to insert. After going to insert, I've talked to you or I've discussed with you what compartments means or what groups means. Well, you go straight to text compartment. This is our text compartment, text group. If you come to the text group, there is something we call objects. Objects there. This is it, objects. So you don't click on the object itself. Click on the arrow beside the object. Click on the arrow. Upon clicking on the arrow, a menu will appear. Then you click on text from file. Please don't click on object. Text on file is the menu you're going to click on. Text on file. Click on text from file. So if you click on your text from file, a window would appear. Like this. We call it a browse window. It gives you an opportunity to browse through your computer to fetch out a document or the thing you are to insert. So in this case, we are inserting a PDF document. So you locate your PDF document. Well, if I come to my desktop, I have a whole lot of PDF documents there. This is a PDF document. This is a Word document. Now look at the two things, the difference between the two things. The Word document has on its logo the Word logo, and the PDF document has on it the PDF logo. You can see a bold W written on the Word logo, the Word document logo. Now you can see on the PDF document it's written boldly PDF. Well, actually, if you don't believe it is PDF, let me open it still. You see, this is it. It's opened PDF. You see it, health, weapons, cheese, and what codes. Now you come here. If you still don't believe it is PDF, come on top here. Look at the logo. It's written boldly on it, PDF. This is telling you that the document is in PDF format. It's a PDF document which cannot be edited. You can't edit it. There is no editing you can do to the document. You cannot edit it. The only thing you can do is to view and relate, but you can't edit it. Now we want to convert this PDF document into a Word document. It's either you double click on it or you select it like this, then you click on insert and wait. A prompt will come telling you that Word is going to convert it to an editable or a Word document. So it is just creating your awareness, and it will tell you that it cannot convert it entirely with most graphics. If it is having great content of graphics, it can convert everything to look just as you see it, but the conversion will be done. That's the most important thing we want. So click on OK and wait. See, we have our PDF document being converted to Word document for us. Now we can edit this to any format we want. We can edit it, we can delete, You come here and delete everything. You see, you can delete, you can do anything to it. You can delete each and everything you see here. You can delete it. So you can now edit it. So simply we've converted it to a Word document. The left thing to do is to save it. You come here and save it as, select or browse your location. I'm going to save it to documents. Okay, so I browsed, then locate my documents. This is in my documents. So I'll give it a name, GTA San Andreas cheats. That's the name I'm going to give to it. GTA San Andreas cheats. And the format is down here. You can change it to any other format you want, but I want a Word document, so I'll leave it to Word document. I'll click on save. Well, our document is saved. If you want to see it, you simply open your Explorer and locate it. Open your Explorer and locate it in your documents, GTA. So I have it here, GTA San Andreas cheats. Now, if I want to convert this back to PDF, what you have to do is to click on File. You don't go to, you can go to Save As and do it, but let's go to Export. That's the right procedure to do export. If you come to Export, and you now click on Create PDF or XPS, it'll give browse, the browse window would open or would appear, so that you give it a name and then save it. You see the extension here is PDF or XPS documents. Now you can publish to save it. Let's give it a let's leave it to the documents and save. Now if we open our documents, it's going to be after, okay, after saving it, you open it for you to see. See, it has opened in PDF. It's written on a boldly PDF document. You can see it. Now we can also go to our documents to see if we really have a PDF San Andreas cheese there. You see it. This is PDF and this is Word. See the difference? The logo differentiates them, and if you open them, you also see a whole lot of difference. So that's one way of converting Word. Let's delete this and then redo it following the other procedure. Now it's deleted. Well, we could have also not gone to export, but come to save as, browsed a location, then we give it a name and save it. Don't save, please. You click on the save as type, then you change it to PDF. Now you can save it. It's also another way to convert Word document to PDF. It's the same procedure, but one is the right procedure to do. For exam's sake, the export procedure is the right one to do. In our next discussion, we'll be telling you how to convert PDF documents in Word, again in different formats, not using Word but using your Google Drive. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. Hope it's of benefit to you. Till our next video. Bye.